What's up, donks? Welcome back to Sudoku Jouet. My name is Sudoku. It's Monday, so you know what that means. It's time for a brand new artisanal Sudoku. This one is called Hialeah by James Sinclair. This is from volume 204. So we have normal Sudoku rules apply. We have cages, arrows, and entropic lines. Normal Sudoku rules 1 to 9 every row, column, 3 by 3 box. Then we have cages, so the dotted areas are cages, and they have to sum to the digit in the top left with no repeats. So these three are 6, that's 14, 23, etc. We have arrows, so the digits along the arrows have to sum to the connected circle. They can repeat if other rules allow. Then we have entropic lines. So along this orange line, every set of 3 includes a low digit, 1, 2, 2, or 3, a medium digit, 4, 5, or 6, or a high digit, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so yeah, so these 3 will have a low, medium, high. These 3 will have a low, medium, high. These 3 will have a low, medium, high, etc. All right, so we're going to restart the timer and let's go. Okay, so 7, 8, 24 can only have a 7, 8, or 9. 23 can only have a 6, 8, or 9. 6 can only have a 1, 2, or 3. 14 can have a couple options, but okay. So then we're going to look at this entropic line here. So since every 3 digit, every 3 cells has to contain a low, medium, and high, we know that every low, medium, high. So every 3 or every third box is going to be the same parity. So then we can highlight like this. Bam, 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 and bam. So that way we know like all the greens are going to be the same digit or same entropy. I don't know. I don't know the words I'm looking for, but you get it. Okay, so we're going to look over here. So if this cannot be a 9, right? If it was an 8, it would have to be paired with a 1, and that would have to be a 9. So, but then what would that be? It'd be impossible. So this is going to be a 6. We can delete that 6. And if this has to be a 1, so that's going to be a 7. So delete that 7. Okay, so then I can delete this 1. Okay, so that's a 6 or a 7. All right, so this is 5, 9, or 6, 8. No problem. Okay. So since this passes over a cell or the box border, these can be the same digit. Or this can be, yeah, one of these two can be this one. So it could easily, this could be as low as a 4 now, because it could be a 2, 1, and a 1. So this could be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Okay. All right, so one of these I think is going to be a low. Not necessarily, because orange could be could still be high. Actually, no, here we go. 7, 8, and 9. So orange is not, so pink is not high. Orange could be high because it could be 6, 2, and 1 to be a 9. So orange or green is high. And since that's 7, 8, or 9, this is now 4, 5, or 6. So it puts orange as mediums. Okay. And then pink cannot be high, so pink is going to be low. And then greens are going to be high. Okay. And this can't be, could it be 4? Yeah, because that's 1, 2, 3. So it could be, this could be 4, and that could be 1, 2, and then that's a 3. It's a 2, 3 pair. Okay, interesting. All right. All right. Okay, so what is this going to be? If that's a 1, 2, or 3, this has to be a 4, 5 with a 9. Oh, 4, 5, and then that's a 9 because everything else would not be this could not be a Sudoku digit. So then the places this is a 6. Move that 6. So the 9s are going to go here, which removes that as a 9. So then we have 7, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So then this and this are going to be the same digit. Okay. So I can pencil mark the 9s up here. So that's a 6. So this is going to be a 1, 2 pair, and that's going to be a 9. So that's now 8, 9, 8, 7. Okay, so then that forces this to be a 3. This would be a 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 in the box. Okay, so what do we need? We need 2, 3. So 7s are going to be over here. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay. All right, we'll get there. This is now a 9 because a 9 can never be on the arrow. So this is going to be a 9 here. Which removes the 5, 9. So this is going to be a 6, 8. And we can place this as an 8. That's now a 6, which puts that as a 9. Move that 9. Move that 6. Place this as a 9. Okay, delete that. Okay. So what do we need in the column? 2, 3 is already gone. So then we have 4, 5, 7, and 8. This is the 8, only option for it in the column. This is now a 7. This will be a 4, 5 pair, which puts a 2, 3 up here. 7s will be there. That's going to be a 6, 7 pair with a 4, 5 here. Okay. And this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. It's now a 4, 5 pair. So 1, 2, 6, and 7. Okay. So we know 8 and 9 are up here. Okay, so this is a 9. What could it can't be a 1, 8. Can't be a 2, 7. Could be a 3. So this is a 3, 6, or a 4, 5. That can't be a 6, so that can't not be a 3 anymore. Okay. So 1s are going to be there. And 2s, all right. 6s can be all of them. Delete that 7. Whoopsie daisy. That's now an 8, 9 pair. That's what I was missing. So this will be a 7, which forces 6 here. That's a 7. Delete those 7s. So this is a 7. 7 cannot go there. So this will be a 7, 8, 9, 9, 8. That's an 8. Okay. We know 7s are there. So 7s will also be over here. That's a 4-5 pair. How long was that sitting there? And I'm just not paying attention. That'll be a 6. These are 8s. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That cannot be those 4, 5. So that's 2, 3. So we know 4 and 5 are going to be here. That's fine. Doesn't really limit anything for me at the moment. That's okay though. Okay, so 2s are going to go here. This 2's there. 3s are in 3 spots though. Okay, so 6 has to be a 1, 2, 3, right? No, it could be 4, 1, and 1. Yeah. Okay. But if this was a 1, and then that was a 1, where would the 1 be in this box? So yeah. Or if this is a 1, 4, and 1, then that would be the 1. But, okay, so that's possible. That's a 1, 2, and then this is a 1, 2, 3, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't like this. Because this, all right, this could be a 6, 6, 1, 2. Just like this one. Could be a 2, 3, 4. A lot of options there. Okay. We're just going to keep going then. It's probably going to be a 1, 2, 3, but it's not definite. Oh, hang on a minute. This is an 8. Oh, my word. That's an 8, so that's an 8. Okay, so 8s are done. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this cannot be a 5, so the 5s are going to be here, which forces that to be a 4, and that's now a 5. That's not a 5, that's not a 4. So 4s are definitely on this, so that's now a 1, 4 pair. So this is no longer 1, so this will be a 1, that's now a 2. That's a 2, 1. That's a 1, 2, 1, 3 pair. That's not a 2. Okay, so this is now 2, 3, 5. So this will be the 2. This will be a 3, 5 pair, which places that as a 1. That's a 3. That's going to be a 2. Okay. Took me a second, but I got there. Okay. This is a 3. That'll be a 1. Uh-oh, I messed up. No, this has to be the 1. That's a 3. So that's a 1. This is a 2, 4, 1. Okay. That's a 2 and a 3. Okay. All right. I got there eventually. Took me a minute, but I'm here. So this is a 4, 6. So this will be a 1, 3, 5. And then that's not a 3. That's not a 1. So that's a 3, 5. Puts a 1 here. 1s are done now. Good. Okay. 1, 2. All right. Let's just pencil mark everything. 3s. 4. 3, 4, 5, and 7. Okay, so those are not 4s. That's, no, wait. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. What a mess. Okay, there we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. and we need a 9 in the column, so that's going to be a 9. So this is a 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is now a 2, which places a 6 here. So it places a 6 there. That's now a 4, 6. That'll be a 5, 3, 5, 4. Okay, so that's not a 6. It's 3, 5. Okay. This is a 4. That's now a 5. We got a 3, 4, 5, 5, 3. 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 7 pair, 4, 5, 7. That's going to be a 7. 4, 7, 5, 4, 5, 4. This is a 3. Finish it off with a 5. Oh, goodness. 1448. That was a little slow. A little bit slow, but, it was a little trickier than I was expecting for the easy puzzle of the week, but good stuff.